In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jotform URL. Whether you're looking to gather information, collect feedback, or simply engage with your audience, sharing your form efficiently is key to reaching your goals. So let's dive right in and make sure you're well equipped to share your Jotform with ease. First things first, you'll want to start by logging into your Jotform account. Once you're in, navigate to My Forms, where you'll find a list of all the forms you have created. From there, you can select the specific form you're interested in sharing. If you need to make any last-minute adjustments or updates, you can click on Edit Form. This step is optional, yet sometimes necessary to ensure that your form is exactly how you want it before sharing. Once you're satisfied with your form, the next step is to access the shareable URL. At the top of the form builder, you'll see an option labeled Publish. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in the Link tab by default. This is where you will find your form's unique URL. Go ahead and copy this URL. That's the key to sharing your form with others. Now let's explore the different ways you can share your form, enabling you to choose the method that best suits your audience and goals. Firstly, you can use the direct link. This is incredibly versatile because it means you can paste the URL anywhere, be it in an email, a chat message, or on your social media platforms. This method is ideal for quick sharing without any fuss. If you're looking to integrate the form into a website, you have the embed options at your disposal. These options allow you to seamlessly insert your form into a website, making it part of the site's content. This can be particularly useful for businesses or blogs looking to maintain a cohesive look and feel across all their online interactions. For a more interactive sharing approach, you might consider generating a QR code. This is perfect for situations where users can easily scan the code using their mobile devices, directing them straight to your form without needing to type a URL manually. It's a great option for live events, posters, or any printed material. Lastly, you can utilize Jotform's own email share feature. This allows you to send your form directly via email from within Jotform's platform. It streamlines the process by allowing you to manage your contact list and track form responses all in one place. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to accessing and sharing your Jotform URL. With these strategies, you'll be well prepared to reach your audience, gather valuable input, and achieve your goals. Happy sharing!